Welcome back. This is lesson 3 in this section of the training, worksheets, pictures, and comment options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can hide and unhide worksheets. I am Amaka Ifebunando, your instructor. To hide a worksheet, you can either right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Hide option, or you go to your Home tab. Under the Cell section, click on the drop-down arrow on the Format option, then go to Hide and Unhide button, select the Hide sheet. This will also hide the active sheet. So to hide this sheet, we'll use the Sheet tab option, right-clicking on the Sheet tab option to do that. So I'll right-click on this and I'll select the Hide option. Good. You can see that the sheet 3 is no longer visible. Right. To unhide this sheet, you can also right-click on any of the Sheet tab and you click on Hide, or you go to your Home tab under the Cell section, click on the drop-down arrow on the Format option, click on Hide and Unhide, and you go down to click on Hide Sheet. So we'll be using this option to unhide the sheets. Good. Now, the Unhide dialog box, that's the Unhide dialog box pops up, and what it does is that it lists all the sheets that are hidden, that are not visible. Presently, we just have lesson 3 that is hidden. So we'll select it and we'll say OK. Immediately the sheet lesson 3 is now visible. So that's how you go about hiding and unhiding worksheets. This brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.